We're looking for kids that don't know nothing. My name is Patrick Piper. I am the chair for the Robotics and Electronic Department here at Sinclair Community College. Going on 2 years as the chair for the whole Department of Electronics and Robotics. ACT is called Automation and Controls Technology, in which it's more of industrial maintenance type of technology that deals with robotics, deals with pneumatics, deals with PLCs, with programmable logical controls. So they do a variety of hands-on type of physical things that they work with, compared to EET, which is electronic engineering technology, in which they do more of electrical aspects of technology, understanding how wiring principles work with understanding data as they set up different type of setups to analyze data. So therefore they have a different phase of technology compared to ACT. Most of the short-term certificates are on the automation and control technology side. We do have short-term certificates within that department in which you can get a 1-year certificate, which it's just classes taken from the associate's degree, down to a 1-year certificate where it's all hands-on experiences that the students can have. A lot of companies are sending their employees back to get that 1-year certificate because it's more hands-on type of classes that they can take. We do have some short-term certificates also, which is only maybe 20 credit hours that you can take, but all of those classes are, again, hands-on, that a lot of companies send people to get more professional development. So therefore, those classes are set for them to understand like PLCs or understanding how robotics work. So we do have short-term certificates. We do have other degrees within EET and ACT. For instance, under the EET, we have what they call biomedical technology. And these are people that are actually technicians that works in hospitals, that repairs the electronics in the hospital rooms and the surgical rooms. A lot of people are not aware that those equipment goes out and somebody has to repair them. So therefore, they have technicians that actually go to the rooms and work with the nurses and doctors. They don't necessarily work with the patients. So therefore, that degree is also here at Sinclair, that students can get into that field because it is in high demand. So therefore, they can look into it because we have a variety of hospitals here. And they were only getting those type of students from one location out of Cincinnati. So now we have that opportunity for students to get it here at Sinclair. So we have a variety of small-term certificates, or we have associate degrees that you can obtain here at Sinclair. And though we have classes here that we teach students to prepare them to transfer to UD or transfer to Wright State. We're trying to get an agreement with University of Cincinnati so the students can transfer to University of Cincinnati. So there are opportunities that students that want to come to Sinclair and transfer to a 4-year institution, a lot less cost, but you're taking the same identical classes as if you started as a freshman at Wright State or UD. So come to Sinclair. We also have a bachelor's degree that students can look into. We're one of a few of the departments at Sinclair that offers a bachelor's degree called Integrated Systems Technology. It is part of an associate degree we call Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a collaboration of cybersecurity and automation coming together. So they decided to come with a bachelor's degree. Instead of just saying Internet of Things bachelor's degree, they changed it to Integrated Systems Technology. So it is still a collaboration of cybersecurity and automation come together. Is there a demand for that? Absolutely. So therefore, that opportunity for you to complete a bachelor's degree here at Sinclair is here. So if you want to look at continuing education, look at Sinclair to do that. We're looking for kids that don't know nothing. Simple as that. You don't have to be special. You don't have to have a certain knowledge. We'll teach you everything you need to know. So we're not looking for a specific type of high school student. If you're interested in these programs, we will train you. Only math is algebra. It's the same algebra that you are using in high school. That algebra is no different than what you do when you come to Sinclair. So if you take that one math, you don't have to worry about any more math. The only math you will associate from there on is the math that are in the actual classes. But those maths is associated with the class. You're not dealing with algebra or any other thing like that. But it's something that the instructor would teach you how to do in doing any calculations if needed. But most of the classes that you take here is all hands-on. And I know most students are not students that like to sit in class and listen to professors talk all the time, but they're better with the hands-on. So this is an opportunity to put your hands on things and see a result. Not just doing things, but when you do it, you have a result when you do it.